Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to pair now, so make sure power and Bluetooth are ready. First, open the Airpods case beside your Samsung and press the small setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. On your phone, go to Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, and wait for it to scan. Keeping the case open maintains pairing mode. Once the LED flashes, you'll see Airpods appear in the device list. Tap it to begin pairing and move to the next step. Once you tap the Airpods name, accept the pairing prompt so the phone exchanges profiles and keys. This is why permissions matter. Make sure to enable media audio and call audio in the Bluetooth device details, because Samsung uses separate toggles for each profile. If you want Siri-like controls or ear detection, toggle any available features in device settings. Otherwise, test audio by playing music and making a quick call to confirm both media and microphone are routed correctly. Finish by testing playback and call quality. Play a track, pause, and speak into the mic while recording. This verifies both sides. If pairing fails, reset the Airpods by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry from Bluetooth settings. If problems persist, reboot your Samsung and clear Bluetooth cache and apps show System Apps Bluetooth, then attempt pairing again. This sequence resolves most interference or cache profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.